Okay, so here's another example of writing an equation in slope-intercept form. And this time, they haven't just given us the slope and the y-intercept. We actually have to do a little bit of work ourselves for this one, but not too much, because when we have a graph, we can just look at the graph and we can just kind of take that information right off of the graph. All right, so the first thing that we want to look at is slope. Now remember, slope is rise over run. All right, we can look at this equation right here for slope, rise over run, so that's how far up over how far over. So we can actually just go over to our graph right here and we can just count it. So from this point to that point, we would start here, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So our rise is 6, all right? So we can say that for this one, that our m is going to be 6 over something, okay? And then our run, so when we're done with our rise, we're right here, okay? And so then the run is just how many over. So we start here and we go over 1, 2, all right? So it's 6 over 2, and if we reduce that, 6 over 2 is 3. So our slope is 3, okay? And now we need our y-intercept. Now the y-intercept, that is where our line crosses the y-axis, right? Intercept means to kind of come together, to cross. So it crosses right down here, and the y value right here, we can actually look at the point if we want to. We can just count down from the origin. It's -2. So the y-intercept is -2. Okay, so now we're back to a problem just like the ones that we've just done, where we now have a slope and we now have a y-intercept. Okay, so we just come over here to our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, our lovely little best friend here. And we know that our equation is going to have that y equals, so how it's going to start, something x plus something, right? Okay, and so the thing that goes right here by our x is our m. M is 3, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that 3 right there. Yep, so we've got y equals 3x plus our b is -2. And again, we can simplify this a little bit and end up writing that y equals 3x minus 2. And that right there gives us the equation for this line.